Hi guys, so it's day 73 or 72 or something like that, and I am in Camber Sands. We stayed here overnight, and today we're probably going to go to the beach and maybe even go to Rye, the local town, and check out some cafes and places to eat. So let's see. Well, so they were totally not helpful at all, and we didn't get any coffee because we're not members of the hotel. So now I'm on the look for some coffee in Camber Sands. Back at the beach today, and we got a bit of a high tide, so the tide has come in and there's less place to walk, but it's still stunning.